All right, guys, we're going to rip the front end off this Caravan and do some water damage repairs. So we've got a frame to rebuild on this one. We're going to rip off this checker plate down the bottom, some of this clad, and the customer does not want to put this front window back in. So we're going to delete the front window, and yeah, this will be a pretty cool one. We get to rip it apart, rebuild the whole frame, and we'll show you what it looks like in a sec. All right, there we go, guys. So front end is all off now, revealing the frame and the nice water damage. So this one here has got a heap of mold down in this section. A lot of it's come off already while we're taking the panel off, so half of it was stuck to the panel as well. But you can see here, this section was quite bad. A lot of damage up in through this section here, so that's obviously where we're getting all that damage inside, staining and stuff on the timber. So all down here as well, it's all just been ripping apart. So we are gonna basically, well, we are not basically, we're gonna pull the frame from here right down to this bottom section and down to here and rebuild that whole frame and replace it. So put a whole brand new piece in there. Now they have used mint flavored insulation on this one, so we're just going to put normal flavored back in. And yeah, apart from that, we had to do the top roll. Originally we weren't going to do the top roll, but obviously look here, we can see the damage goes up further. So we just needed to get that out of the way so we could rebuild it. So plus the customer does want to do a window delete, and there was holes in the top panel which come up to about here. So obviously deleting the front window, we don't want those holes there, we want it to be that nice clean look. So we'll clean this up, rip the frame out, build a new one, and we'll show you once we've got the frame out. Okay, there we go. So we have the whole frame removed now and all cleaned up. So basically this is what it looks like with no front wall on it. Now, there was a window in here before, so the customer's requested we're not doing the window. I think I did say that in my last part, but we'll leave the window out when we build the new frame. Actually, we've already built the frame, it's sitting right here. So this is the new frame for the van. So obviously we got where the window used to be, the front boot section on the other side. You'll see that there's all the internal ply. This joint here obviously is hidden behind this, so we can't see that. And yeah, nice strong frame. It's gonna look really good when it's in there. Put that back. So yeah, we're about to start installing this frame. We'll get it all fixed into place and wiring around insulation in, and then we'll get ready for some panels to go on this. So cool, we'll show you that in a second. Okay, there we go. So we have the whole front end rebuilt on this thing, and it's about to start getting some clad in. So you would have seen a small time-lapse snippet of us installing the frame. And then the guys came, put some insulation in, hooked all the wiring up, and put that top roll on. We also have a stitch panel down here which covers the angle here as well, just to strengthen it up, even though it is screwed. Two pieces of timbers are screwed together. They also stitched as well. Not really a lot to say. Obviously it's super strong, really nice and solid, and all looks really nice on the inside as well. So it's a pretty easy frame to go together. We're gonna start getting a top roll on, some cladding on there and some checker plate, and it should be back together in no time. I'll show you it shortly. All right, there we go. So we got the front end all on now. So obviously in my last video, you would have saw all the frame in. Now we've got the top roof sheet on there, and we've got our clad on. Checker plate's just gone on this morning as well. We've got the guys installing the J molds. So the molds are going on as well at the moment. And this thing is absolutely flying along. So looking really, really good. I like the way that it's come together. We'll get it all finished up, and I might show you it right when it's finished, and I'll show you the inside too. All right, guys, there we go. We are finally finished with this billabong, and well, actually, it's got to get cleaned tomorrow, and then it's final checkoffs. But the actual work side of things is all done. Now we've replaced that top roll, all of this front cladding here, and the checker plate down the bottom, including the whole frame. Full rebuild on this one, and we deleted that front window. Used to have that ugly front window there as well. So this is coming together, well, it came together really, really well. I'm super, super happy with it. So inside looks really good as well, like it never even happened. And yeah, look, it's come together pretty good. So we're gonna get this thing out the front, give it a wash tomorrow, give it a final checklist, all the sign-offs and stuff done, and we'll send this one home to the customer, and should be pretty sweet. And this was, we also did the rear mold on it as well, because this is the van that had that little weird joint. So we'll see you on the next one.